In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your ebook for sale on Wix step by step. This guide will help you launch your digital product and potentially reach a larger audience with your ebooks. To get started, the first thing you need to do is head over to wix.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, locate the site where you want to sell your ebook and click on Edit Site to open the website editor. This is where you can make all the necessary modifications to enable ebook sales. Next, it's crucial to ensure that Wix Stores is installed. This feature allows you to sell both physical and digital products. If it's not already installed, you'll need to add it to your site. After confirming Wix Stores is in place, navigate to Store Pages. Here, you will access all the product-specific settings that you need to configure for your ebook. Now, let's move to the product setup. Go to the product page and click on Manage Products. You'll find this under Dashboard, then Store Products, and finally Plus New Product. Here you need to select Digital Product since you're selling an ebook. Enter a descriptive product name, for example, Mastering Productivity Ebook. This name should be catchy and informative, hinting at the value your ebook offers. In the description section, add details about your ebook such as the number of pages, the file format like PDF, EPUB, or MOBI, and key topics or chapters covered. Remember, a well-crafted description can greatly influence purchasing decisions. Next, upload a cover image to make your ebook visually appealing. Now it's time to upload your ebook file. Make sure your file is in a supported format, with PDF being the most common choice. Enable the automatic delivery option to ensure that once a customer purchases your ebook, the file is delivered instantly to their email. Set the right price for your ebook and consider offering various licensing options such as personal or commercial use. Make sure to clearly state the terms of use in the product description so customers know exactly what they're entitled to. Last but not least, configure your payment methods. Go to Dashboard, Settings, and then Accept Payments. Here you can enable different payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, or credit and debit cards. Be sure to test the checkout process to ensure everything runs smoothly. Finally, publish your ebook. Customize buttons, layout, and styling to match your site's design, and don't forget to preview everything to ensure it looks professional and user-friendly. Once your ebook is live, promote it through various channels such as social media, email campaigns, or by using SEO-friendly descriptions for better visibility. Consider offering discounts or limited time promotions to boost sales. That's it for today's walkthrough. With these steps, your ebook will be ready for sale on your Wix site, helping you reach new audiences and maximize your sales potential.